Well, as you can see, my truck is no longer in the shop. I guess I'll just explain what all I did today, or the way I got the oil cooler back together. Here are the old O-rings. You can see, brittle. That's why they were leaking. This one right over here was the one that was on the leaking side. What we did to press it together, got this length of board cut, and I've got that steel beam up there. That's the strongest thing that we had around, and we just had it up there, oil cooler in between the jack, and we used assembly lube to put it together, to lube the O-rings, and it slipped together no problem. There wasn't hardly any problems with that. So, and he's out there purging the cooling system right now on the hill. That's stuff that we drained out, or some of it anyway. We're using it. It's got 1,200 miles on that stuff. It's Detroit Power Cool. It's purple. I had 2 fresh gallons. They were already pre-made, so we dumped that in. We're using whatever we have left. But I'll just stand here and listen to it. We also showed him how to turn it up too. It's pretty awesome for Dyno Day this coming weekend. Got 200 right now. Fixing to turn my fans on. I haven't wanted to take the switch. She's at 200 right now. So, thermostat should be okay. I'll tell your camera when you get What you think? I don't know. Yeah. Thought I could use some more, but it's fine. So anyway, she isn't leaking no initial leaks anyway, so I don't know if I'm celebrating too early. I'm going to deem it a success right now. Successful oil cooler rebuild. But also, another thing that was a shame, that oil cooler and that oil had 300 miles on it. I changed it 300 miles ago. And of course drained it all out for this project, but oh well.